So this tape is safe for your eyeball skin. It is made to use on your eyeball. So you're going to take a strip of your lash tape about this big. You're going to rip it off. You're going to take your strip of lash tape horizontal. Tape it down at the bottom of your eyelid, real close to where your lashes grow out, but it's not actually on the eyelashes themselves. It's only on the skin. Lift it up and just tape it to your eyebrow. Okay, give it a little swipe over. You are in control over how high you tape up your eyelid. But if that's not comfortable for you, you can lower it down a little bit. You just need to tape it off enough so that you can see that pink waterline. So that waterline is the key to all things cluster lash. If any lash or any glue ever gets inside that waterline, it's going to hurt, itch, or irritate you throughout the week. It also allows us to make sure we're getting the correct angle of each lash, which is going to make them look better and adhere better, so they're gonna stay on longer. We reptile blink so our eyeball doesn't dry out. This is the key to your lashes being waterproof. You can wash them every day and they will stay on for a week. Brand new gray bond and seal. The bond is on one side, which is the glue. The seal is on the other side, which is something we put on when we are all done. We're gonna take the bond side of our gray bond and seal. We're going to reptile blink so our eye doesn't dry out. We're going to take this gray bond and we're going to put it on our lashes all the way from root to tip. I get a lot of complaints, comment sections from people saying, oh my God, you're only supposed to put it on the base. Why are you putting it all the way up to the tip? That's wrong. I specifically teach in my technique to put your bond from root to tip. Not only is this going to make sure your lashes stay on longer, but it's going to make sure that your fake lashes don't try to twist and turn in your sleep. This is not going to cause any damage as long as you are removing your cluster lashes after 7 days, and make sure you're soaking them off carefully at the end of the week. Reptile blink. Once that glue is all over your eyelashes, let it dry. 30-40 seconds just helps it get a little tacky, makes it easier for the lash to stick. I need you to dip your applicator into a cup of water every single time you pick up a lash. This is going to prevent the fake lash from trying to stick to your applicator, which will be very irritating for you. Your natural lashes are not all growing straight up and down. The outer corners are facing this way, the middle's facing up, the inner corner's facing this way. So we need to make sure that we're angling our fake lash at the same angle. It comes with 30D all the way down to 100D. I'll still use the same 100D, guys. You're going to take your first lash, pull it out by the base, transfer it over into your other hand, grab it by the tip. You're going to get it as close as you can to the base of your lashes without getting it inside that waterline. You're going to dip your applicator in water, side by side with no overlap. This is a pre-mapped lash kit, so there is no map. Now that all of your lashes are on your eyeball, you're going to dip your applicator in water so it doesn't stick. You're going to come in and you're going to pinch all of your lashes. See how uniform? It crunches them all up together and makes them uniform. Dip your applicator in water, and I want you to pinch your lashes from the bottom all the way up to the top. Dip your applicator in water again because it is very sticky. It will try to stick to your applicator and rip them out. Come into the middle, pinch them from the bottom all the way up to the top. See how it's making them all nice and uniform? Dip your applicator in water again. Come in from the inside and pinch them all the way from the root to the tip. We're going to go in with the seal side of our bond and seal. This gray glue comes with a gray seal. You're just going to tap a tiny bit of this gray seal at the bottom there. Dip your applicator in water. Come in from the outer corner. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Dip, come into the middle. Pinch, pinch, pinch. From the inner corner. Pinch, pinch. Take a Q-tip. Dip your Q-tip in water so it's not fuzzy. And tap, tap, tap that water line. You want to tap that water line to make sure there's no glue or seal inside that water line that's going to dry down and it's going to irritate you later. Lash reveal, lash reveal. Reptile blink, lash reveal, lash reveal.